Stop staying broke and start creating, bro. You're out here scrolling while other people are making rant videos and getting views. Let's fix that. Roblox Rant video that actually looks clean and might just blow up. First, select a background game. I recommend Slap Tower. The colors are bright. It's simple, and your text will be easy to read. The right game sets the vibe for your rant. Set your video to a 9:16 format. Zoom in lightly. If you're using a Samsung like me, zoom too much and the quality will drop. Keep it clean, keep it readable.
Use super resolution if you have CupCat Pro.
Next, add a 4K filter to brighten your video. It's good to make your own script. It's better than the one ChatGPT makes. Because you need to talk your shit, and ChatGPT doesn't allow that. Then, come up with your rant script. Or use ChatGPT to help write one. Remember, each section must be under 500 characters. Copy it to your clipboard and split it into sections using auto-split. You can delete the text and use the audio, because later on you can use caption for your video. When the split is done, select the first sentence and tap text-to-speech. Use Adam's voice. It's popular right now. And set the speed to 1.3. Then, apply it to all so every section has the same voice and speed. Go to the pitch settings and set it to 1.4. When you're saying something funny or roasting, lower it to 0.8. It makes it sound way funnier and keeps people laughing. Now add captions. Keep them simple, no crazy colors. Then add sound effects like Vine Boom, Taco Bell, or Taco Get Out. Overlays make it look more dynamic. You can get free ones on Pinterest or sound effects from websites. When using overlays. And boom! That's how you make a Roblox rant video that doesn't flop. Add fade-out animation. Set the speed to 0.8 so the transitions are smooth. Watch how it turned out and then go make your own. And the voice is already synced. If this helped you, hit that subscribe button before your video hits 0 views again. Finally, export your video in 4K. Your tutorial is complete. Now here's the one I made using the same steps.
Why are people in horror movies so freaking stupid? You hear a noise in the basement, and your first thought is, let's go check it.
Out. Be serious.
If I hear a sound I didn't make?
I'm packing my bags and leaving the country. They see a door half open and still walk in like, hello?
Yes, the killer heard you, and they always drop the flashlight. The one thing keeping them alive.
Why do they always fall when they're running? Like, are your shoelaces tied to destiny or something?
And why do they always live in a haunted house? If the walls start whispering,
I'm gone before the echo fades. Then there's that one friend who says, let's split up. Split up with who? Your life?
If I was in that movie, the credits would roll in 2 minutes. If you made it to the end, subscribe. Group projects sound fun until you realize you're doing everything. Like, why is it called a group project?
When I'm the group and the project.
There's always that one person who disappears until presentation day. And then they're like,
guys, I'll do the talking part.
bro, you didn't even read the title. Then the teacher's like, great teamwork.
Yeah. Teamwork between me and my anxiety.
Comment if you're the only one who actually works. And subscribe before your next group project picks you again. Ain't no way this actually happened. Bro went to see Ronaldo and ended up in the stadium show. Bro, I show speed really living his dream. This man went all the way to watch Ronaldo's game.
And somehow ended up beating the drum like he's part of the team.
The crowd's screaming. And Speed's there like, yep, I trained my whole life for this moment. All right, here it is. Look at this clip.
Okay, boom, stop. Oh, okay. Yeah. I got it, Ronaldo. I got it. Yalla. Wait.
Ronaldo's looking proud like, yes, my boy. You finally made it. From screaming Sue in his bedroom to leading an entire stadium with Ronaldo himself. Bro completed the main quest. That's not a dream anymore. That's Sue Legend Mode unlocked. Subscribe if you do the same for Ronaldo.